Troubleshooting unusual voltage readings on a multiwire branch circuit involves a systematic approach. Firstly, confirm the accuracy of the meter readings by measuring the voltage from low to neutral, L2 to neutral, and L3 to neutral if applicable. Ensure the neutral wire isn't loose or inadvertently connected to another circuit. Secondly, carefully examine the grounding path. Verify that the ground wire isn't making contact with any current carrying conductor, specifically L2. Check the continuity of the ground wire from the panel to all outlets and fixtures served by the circuit. Thirdly, inspect the branch circuit wiring at each outlet and fixture. Look for loose or incorrect connections which can cause voltage fluctuations. Ensure the circuit isn't overloaded, as this can lead to voltage drop. If the voltage readings between low and neutral, L2 and neutral, and L3 and neutral are significantly different, this could indicate a voltage imbalance. Voltage imbalance can occur when the loads on the different phases are not evenly distributed. Determine if any inductive loads, such as motors or transformers, are connected to the circuit. Inductive loads can cause voltage spikes and distortions which can affect meter readings. Disconnect or remove known loads from the circuit and remeasure the voltage. If the voltage readings improve, it could indicate that a particular load is causing the issue. A reading of 170 volts alternating current between low and ground typically suggests a high resistance ground fault. However, in a multi-wire branch circuit, slight contact between the ground wire and L2 could result in a lower voltage reading between low and neutral, because the ground wire offers a parallel path for some of the current. If these steps do not resolve the issue, consult a qualified electrician for further diagnosis and repair.